welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, I'm Hussein and I'm a data scientist, and I'll be making videos to help people around me or anyone that stumbles across my videos to understand data science, data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. I'll be doing lots of videos in tech and trying to help new beginners understand complex concepts and make it more accessible to everyone. Because when I was first learning all this, I found it hard to just watch videos and understand certain concepts. And looking at it from a beginner's point of view, I'll be making a lot of videos, doing hands-on tutorials, doing projects together on, for example, Google Colab, where I work through a problem and just step by step writing the code, explaining it, and trying to, this will be a journey from the beginning, doing simple stuff in the beginning to moving on to um, topics like natural language processing, deep learning, generative AI, learning stable diffusion, or GPT, learning how transformers work. I'll be covering everything along these next few months, hopefully. And yeah, a little bit about myself. I'm a passionate data scientist. I've run my own business for over 10 years, and in this I gained a lot of experiences such as business management, leadership, analyzing data, machine learning, and financial analysis. I use Python as my main programming language, and I use Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, and so on. There's many more, and these are just certain examples that just came to my mind while writing this. But as for beginners, we'll start with Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, just exploring data, cleaning data, visualizing it, maybe using Seaborn, just making correlation matrices, and so on, using these simpler libraries. But in the future, we'll definitely be getting onto things like OpenCV for image classification, for example, and so on. And my favorite aspects of this field, even though it's all been fun, learning when I first learned linear regression to what I'm learning now, what I'm doing now, it's all been fun. But deep learning, generative AI, stable diffusion, and natural language processing, all of these aspects of this field has been my favorite, and it just still amazes me what a computer program can do. And it's just every year it's improving so much more. For example, with GPT-4, for example, now ChatGPT 3.5, it has changed a lot, and it's reshaping society, changing the world, and I'm excited to see where it will lead. Obviously there's dangers to it, but I'm excited to see where it's gonna go in the future, and I want to be there learning it, understanding it along the way as it improves. And other things I know are SQL, SQL, Power BI is a choice between Tableau and Power BI. I prefer Power BI. I know Excel VBA, Mathematica, LaTeX. So LaTeX and Mathematica I did in my masters. I don't use Mathematica anymore. Just done it for that 1 year in my masters. VBA is a fun programming language inside of Excel. It's quite fun to use, do different things with, but mainly right now is Python. Python's the main thing I use, and for analysis and data I use SQL and Power BI. My education history, my masters was I done a masters in mathematics and a bachelor. I got a bachelor's with honors in mathematics with finance and economics. Outside of work and studies, I enjoy playing football. I enjoy gaming. Most notably, I play Call of Duty. I go to the gym. I like boxing with my brother and wrestling. And I feel like anyone that's watching this, I cannot stress enough how important having a social life, let's not say social life, but how important having doing different things in your life other than work and stress. Like playing football or going to the gym, it relieves a lot of stress, gets my mind off things, and just keeping your body healthy, sleeping well, just improves your quality of life immensely. And I really recommend doing this. So not only am I going to teach data science, I'm hopefully going to have, you know, be a person to motivate anyone that's watching my video. If anyone does stumble across my videos, if they don't, you know, these videos are for me to learn, but if they do stumble across my videos, I'm hoping to help them. And the content on my videos, I want to have a wide range of videos that I plan to make, and I plan to cover topics including, you know, introduction to machine learning. So I'll be going through regression, classification, clustering, you know, and then I'll be doing practical data science tutorials, you know, going through data that I find online, for example on Kaggle, and working through it alongside you guys and showing what I would do and how I would do what I'm doing. And then I'll give industry insights and case studies for you, and we'll dive into real-world examples examining how data science is transforming various industries like healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. And then we'll do algorithm exploration. I'll take you on a journey through different algorithms, explaining their inner workings and when to use them effectively. So my videos will be in two parts. The first part, for example, when I'm covering the topic of EDA, exploratory data analysis, for example, I'm gonna do one, you know, Google Slides or PowerPoint video explaining what is, covering the theory, and then the second video is going to be just hands-on, doing it, doing EDA on a certain data set, cleaning the data, getting insights, and explaining how I would do it on Python. And I'll be using Google Colab. You can use Jupyter if you want, or Spider, whatever notebook you prefer, but I prefer Google Colab, and I'll be using Google Colab. And I'm hoping that with these two parts, you can not only just understand the theory, you'll know how to apply the theory. You know, there's no point of learning the theory if you can't apply it. So hopefully I can explain everything really well and show how it's done. And yeah, thank you for watching my first video.